What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be making a 60s and 70s aggressive organ sound. There's no tutorials on how to do this, but there should be, so here I am. Hi. So how you make an organ sound is you basically stack sine waves, which are these things, they're squigglies, and we'll do that. So I have three, and they're all kind of detuned from each other. So that's that's a kind of a cool organ sound. Sounds really not organic at all, but we'll kind of fix that. So I'm going to adjust the attack and give it a bit of release. This is kind of cool for you know, relaxation music kind of guys. So what you're going to need, you're going to need to modulate the pan so it goes left and right. This simulates a Leslie speaker. So, and it gives it a bit more movement, if you can hear that. Right, so from there, we're going to go back. I'm going to add a bit of ring modulation, and this adds more of a natural tone wheel kind of sound. Like that's quite a bit. Right, and that's a really cool organ sound, which I like. So I could stop there. I could sorry for smacking my teeth or my lips or whatever you call them. I'll add a bit of delay, add a bit of reverb. I wish I could play. So yeah, there's that, and that's, you know, like a really cool, again, it's a really cool organ sound, but we can make it a bit more aggressive. And I'm going to do that with a bit of drive. It's a little bit too much. Maybe a bit more medium. Boost the treble. Get rid of the analog boost. And there's that. And we can use different distortion to taste. Add a bit of mid. So there's that, and there's like other, if you have a virus, there's like special things you can do. You know how we had an LFO for the pan, we can actually use a Leslie rotary speaker, which also introduces its own special form of distortion. And I got a stuck key on push, and yeah, I guess that's a good way to end the video. Alright, take care, and have a good